Rocketeers, in this video we're going to talk about breathing to the side. A lot of swimmers who have trouble breathing to the side on freestyle often either have the timing wrong, or they're not doing the circular breathing properly, or perhaps they're not kicking hard enough and therefore sinking under the water. When breathing to the side on freestyle, let's start with the circular breathing. First, you want to be blowing your air out under the water and breathing in to the side. Don't wait until you get to the side to breathe it out and in, because then you're taking twice as long and the water off your arm is going to come crashing down over your face with uninvited water. So start with a basic drill like hands out in front, standing on the ground or hold onto a wall, and breathe in above the water and blow out under the water like this. Once you've gotten comfortable with that, because some people it'll take a little bit for you to get comfortable with the water over your face, but once you're comfortable with that, then you can start trying it to the side. Once you've gotten good at that, now you can practice doing it to the side. So I'll rotate my body sideways so you can see, and what you want to do is simulate freestyle arm pulls. Now don't pull too hard, because then you're going to pull yourself off balance and you'll feel kind of uncomfortable. So sit back a little bit. I have my rear end extended out behind me just for balance. My arms are out in front. I'm going to simulate arm strokes like this. And when I'm ready, I'm going to put my face in the water with a deep breath, blow my bubbles out, and then take my breath to the side. Watch. Now I'm going to teach you the timing of the breath. When you breathe in freestyle, you want to start your breath as you start the pull to the side that you're going to breathe. So before that, you're thinking, which side am I going to breathe to? So start your breath as you start your pull. Pretend like your nose and your thumb are connected by a string. So if I'm going to breathe to my left side, then I'm going to pull and breathe at the same time. It's an earlier breath than you're probably used to. Most people are used to pulling and then lifting their arm and their head out at the same time. That's wrong. That's gonna cause uninvited water over your face. Instead, take your breath as you're pulling under the water. The other thing that does is it creates a little pocket right here. Because of the momentum, the water will dip down, giving your mouth a little pocket to breathe in. Watch. You can see that I can get my breath with plenty of time. Because I'm starting my breath earlier, I can get it with plenty of time. Now, make sure you've already watched my video on how to breathe one breath at a time when swimming freestyle, because breathing to the side does not give you enough time to take more than one breath. So get enough air on one breath that you can put your face back down in the water. And if you're not quite there yet, that's okay. I've got kickboard drills in another video that help you go from taking 2 breaths at a time face down, 1 breath at a time face down, and then 1 breath pineapples, rolling onto your back, getting your air, 2 breaths at a time, then 1 breath at a time. There's a sequence, okay? So follow the sequence if you're not quite ready to take 1 breath at a time. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you found this video helpful, splash that like button, subscribe to the channel for free, and follow us over on our other social media outlets like Instagram and TikTok for shorter videos and clips throughout the week. If you like the merch, head on over to our merch store, buy your own t-shirt or hat today. We also have memberships now available for our YouTube channel. Otherwise, if you want your own private lessons in person or online, go over to our website at rocketswimming.com. Thanks for watching, and get ready to rock it.